Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily make a Glovo ID in Spain. So all you have to do is head over to glovoapp.com/es/en. So all you have to do is click on login. So from here, all you have to do is fill in your phone number to proceed, or you can also log in or sign up using your Google, Facebook, and email. So once you're logged into your account, to get your Glovo ID, all you have to do is click on your profile button, then click on account. So from here, the email and the phone number that you entered would serve as your Glovo ID. You can view it in this account page. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!